Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I have got something new to play with. This week I am going to be talking you through a full look using the brand new, not even out yet, Backtalk palette by Urban Decay. This little palette, guys, the colours are bomb. Let's start off with the packaging. So imagine the situation here. You've finished work for the day, for the week actually, you've got a week off. You go home, hubby up the stairs to get the dog to take him out for a walk, and he comes down from the flat with the dog and a little parcel and said, "You've got a present." And he guessed what it was. I was like, no, definitely not. Open it up and lo and behold, Backtalk. The Backtalk palette is inspired by Urban Decay's iconic Vice lipstick shade Backtalk, which is the perfect pinky nude. So what better way to expand in the family than with this beautiful pinky nude eye palette. But that's not all. You flip it to the other side and you have got some blush and highlights. You did good. I mean, the packaging is stunning. It looks all melted lipsticks. I like the direction this is going in. I think it's really cool for Urban Decay to do something a little bit outside the box of what they're used to doing. I think that this is beautiful. I would love it if they did a full range of these palettes with like different tones, like eye and face, and you could have them all like sitting in your bookcase like little books. I think that'd be really cool. But anyway, I cannot wait to play with this palette. I have never touched it before. You know that when I get a new palette, I like to wait and try it out for the first time right here. If you want to see how I created this look that's going to appear on these eyeballs soon, then just keep watching because you know it's going to be fun. So as always, we are just starting off by priming our eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. We are just taking that from lash line to brow bone and patting it out with our ring fingers until we've got a really nice even base to lay down our shadow with. We're just taking the shade Backtalk on a Morphe R37 and just really window wiping that into the crease and blowing it out towards the brow bone. I want to make sure this colour is really noticeable just because I want to go for a really kind of monochromatic pink vibe with it, and I think this will do really nicely for it. Then on a Morphe M443 we are taking the shade WTF and we are just buffing that into the crease as well, just not quite as high up as the last shade. And this colour actually looks in the pan quite a brown colour, but when you put it on, it goes on a lot deeper, so it's given a really nice depth while sticking to that original kind of pinky vibe that we were going for. It's quite a berry tone, like it is still brown, but it's just a really lot more warm in how it looks. So I'm going to just take some more of that WTF shade and we're going to just use that to deepen the inner and outer corners of the eye, and then buff back into the crease. And you'll see we're getting a really nice warm kind of halo finish, which is beautiful. So we'll just take a little bit of the Eden again and then just kind of buff that over the eyelid. Don't worry about getting it tidy. This is not a cut crease. This is not anything too into the glam. This is more everyday wear. So I don't know what colour to use to start off my spotlight look. We are torn between the shade and the attitude. The pinky one or a bit more purpley pink. I think today I will use Attitude. So I'm just loading up a little flat eyeshadow brush with the shade Attitude, which is a really nice kind of burgundy. And then of course we're going to wet our brush with some all-nighter setting spray as well, just to make sure that the eyeshadow is looking super foiled. And I like to soak my brush and then pop a little bit more on as well, just to make sure that we're getting the most kind of colour payoff from that liquid shadow that we're creating. And then start off just kind of sliding that down the inner and outer corner of the eye. Oh, this colour is nice. I am enjoying this colour. Okay, and once we're happy with how our spotlight is looking, I like to of course just take my previous colour and just buff out the edges. And then just for the centre of the eye, I'm going to use the shade Bare, which is the lightest shimmer in the palette. And we're just going to take that all over the centre of our spotlight eye just to really add a little bit of shimmer. I want this to be really bright, so I am of course going to wet my brush again, just to give it a little bit of oomph. And again, just press and slide right down the centre of that lid And this is a really nice pearlescent pinky white colour, so it will really make the eye look super cute. So this is a really soft spotlight for me, something a little bit different, but I quite like the colour so far. I think it looks really nice. Okay, so I went ahead and done this eye off camera to even up, but then I just got carried away and did the full eye, but it means I know what I'm doing now, so it's fine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to line my top lash line using the Urban Decay eye pencil in Alkaline. This pencil is a really nice kind of burgundy plum colour, so it fits in really nicely with the theme. And I've been really liking obviously doing more soft looks recently, and I've also really been liking using pencil on my upper lash line just for a more kind of soft smoked out finish. Then in a little pencil blender brush I am using the shade 180, and we're just using that over that pencil just to really add some drama to the eyes and just kind of smoke everything out. It just makes it a little bit more intense. Putting that shimmery eyeshadow over a matte pencil I think looks really nice. Now we're just running the shade WTF along our lower lash line, and then we're going to top that off with a little bit of 180. And then we're taking the shade 180 as well and just really smoking out that lower lash line. I like to make sure that I've always got a big fluffy brush handy just so that I can go over any edges as well. And then we've got a really soft line. To continue with what's going up and coming down, we're going to use the Alkaline pencil again and just take that right in the waterline and smoke it out over the lower lash line as well. There's never an attractive face to do this on camera, so I'm just going to do that and then come back. I'm just smudging that out with a little bit of the shade Attitude, just to make sure my lower lash line is really soft and diffused. And then we're just coating the lashes with some Urban Decay Subversion Lash Primer. You know I can't live without this stuff. And then a bit of my all-time favourite mascara, which is of course Perversion Mascara by Urban Decay. And then I'm going to just highlight my inner eye using that highlighter shade for the cheeks, Party Foul. There isn't a bronzer or contour shade in this palette, so just to give my cheeks a little bit of definition before I go in with this palette, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronzed. As you know, this is my favourite bronzer. And we're just really going to start sculpting out the cheeks. And then for what scares me as always is blusher. Blusher terrifies me, but with this one it's really nice. You have got 4 different blush highlighter formulas. I really like the Urban Decay blush formula. I think it's really nice because it's not too in your face, it just builds really nicely on the skin. I don't know what colour I'm going to use for the cheeks. I think I'm going to stick to this little double take. Put that on the cheeks. Oh, that is some blush. Okay. Okay, so normally I would never go for this colour blusher on my cheeks. I am not really the most blusheriest of boys. Even my blushers are basically bronze tone blushers, but if we're looking at it as an overall concept, this is bomb. And it's not too pink a blusher that I would be put off wearing it. I think that it's actually giving my cheeks a really nice kind of soft flush glow, so yeah, points to that. Okay, so low-key, I don't know if it's meant to be a blusher or a highlight, but we're going to just take it as a kind of transition highlight blush, if you will. Before we do that, it's very important to mist our face, so I'm going to pop on some Rebound Prep Flavor Urban Decay, just to mist all this powder together. So we'll take the shade Low-Key on our little Anastasia brush that we use for all highlighting, and let's just start to highlight those cheekbones. Ooh, that is a nice highlighter. It is soft, radiant. Yes, I'm happy with that. That's a really nice kind of rose gold highlight shade. But of course I need to try this one, Party Foul, here. I think this will be the thing that just pulls this whole look together. Pop some of that on. Okay, yes. That is a really nice highlighter. Very pink. It's very kind of rose gold vibes. It's very nice. I can see this being a really nice palette for like brides, bridal, bridesmaids. I think it'd be beautiful for that. So of course this would not be a Backtalk review if I did not follow suit with the iconic lipstick that started this palette. I went in with my little Urban Decay Ice lipstick in the shade Backtalk. This has been a good little fail-safe lipstick for me for a while. It is really nice for when I want to go for more pinky looks, so we'll pop some of that on today. So I'll use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Broken. This is a really nice kind of neutral lip pencil that just gives the lips a nice bit of definition, but it's not too dark because we're going for a soft glam. So now that I'm happy with my lip pencil colour. Let's pop on some Backtalk. So normally I would just leave this here because I think the look is really nice. The pink in the lips, the pink in the eyes, it's all really monochromatic, matchy. You can tell this was all kind of same colour family that inspired it, but normally I would just leave it here. But recently I've been feeling a super popping, juicy, wet looking lip. And of course my gals at Urban Decay did not let me down on this one because they have just brought out some bomb new lip glosses. These are the Hi-Fi Shine glosses. They are like nothing else. I am obsessed. So I think for today, I could go for 2 shades actually. I've got 5 here, but I think there's 2 that I could really go for, which would either be the SPL, which is a really nice kind of pink glittery lipstick, or Midnight Cowgirl, which is a really nice nude. I've been loving both of these, but I think for the look of today and the pink vibe we're going for, why not go for some SPL? These lip glosses, by the way, you guys, you need to try them if you haven't already. If you haven't tried these glosses already, then you need to make your way to your nearest Urban Decay counter like yesterday and try them on because the formula is stunning. The feeling on the lips is beautiful. The smell is ridiculous. And it just feels so nice. So there we have it, guys. Lashes are on. The lashes I put on today are from Primark. They are the Sosu lashes in the style New York. These lashes are a very hit and miss for me. I just picked them up because it was in Primark and I was running out of my favourites. I always find that they go on quite square and you have to really kind of wiggle your mascara through them to make it look slightly realistic. Are they still a little bit big for this soft glam that I'm going for today? Most probably, but it's fine, it's fine. I like it. So overall, final thoughts. This palette, the Backtalk palette by Urban Decay, I really liked it. I really liked the shadows. I thought they were really nice. They blended really nicely. I really liked the blushers and highlighters. They were much pinker than what I would pick up normally for myself, but that's good. Like, try new things. Let's be different. This is good. If you want to try maybe if you maybe want to break out your normal colours and move away from your browns and your bronzes like me, which is your kind of steady, safe options, this would be a really good palette for you to try because it's got a little mixture of different things that you maybe wouldn't pick up for yourself that are really nice, still in that kind of neutral family, but into that new kind of burgundy and berry tones which are really on trend just now. If you want to see what I've been up to, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is here. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me. You can check out what I've been up to on my social media links, which will be somewhere to this side of the page. You know where they go. That's where they go every week. And yeah, if there's anything you want to see me do next or any feedback on this video, then pop them in the comments below and I will answer back as many as possible. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!